Is it really fun to the salmons? The other day I felt so heartbroken. The salmons making their run in the creek were being used for entertainment. These salmons are tired and hungry as they continue their journey to their spawning ground, high in the mountains. These young men were having the great time snagging these helpless giant gentle fish. I asked them if they were going to eat their catch. One of them laughed and said,
"Oh no, this is just for fun."
I fell quiet and became so sad. I felt sorry for the salmons. Was it fun to the salmons?